Who got a new flat screen? Princess, you get a new flat screen?
No, my dad did.
Your dad did?
I saw the old big box. I didn't get picked up.
Alright, so here we go. Number 2. Did y'all get x to the 5?
Yes.
And number 3, did y'all get w to the 12? Yep. Alright, what about number 1? What do I do first?
You add -4 and -10 together.
How much is that?
-14.
There you go. Alright, then what do I do?
Divided by 26.
By -14, right?
That's what I meant. That's not what I said.
Alright, so some of you divided it and left a fraction. So some of you got -13 over 7, which is perfect. And some of you got a decimal. What was your decimal?
1.85.
85? There we go. Very good. Very good. Alright, what about number 4? This is one y'all always skip. Who wants to read it for us? Cameron, thank you, dear.
The table above shows the number of pens, pencils, and erasers sold by Walmart, Tomahawk Store, and Target on October 18, 2016. If 173 students purchase at least one item from the Tomahawk Store, but no more than 4 items, what is the maximum number of students who could purchase one?
So which store am I looking at? Tomahawk Store. There you go. Alright. Somebody let Lee in. Alright, so what should I do to 122, 87, and 163? What should I do? You add them. There you go. What do you get?
372.
Alright, so how many students did it say?
4.
4 items, right? So what should I do to that 372 and 4?
Divided.
Oh my goodness, look how difficult that was. That was horrible, right?
I'm guessing the answer is D.
I guess your answer is correct. You are right. Y'all okay? Alright, so we got a new lesson to do today. Now look, it's a new semester, right? What happens if you come to school and get an A, a B, or a C for the semester? What happens?
You start over, and then it goes together.
What happens at the end? If you come to school like we're supposed to, you don't have to do what testing?
You get exempt.
You get exempt from exams, right? So, be here, and us working to get your grades up, right?
Because there's still students that have to, you know? Yeah, but every student has to have one, so there's left over.
All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Number 1. What do I do with that 3x squared? What can I do with this? Anybody?
I'd like to do the parentheses first.
Can I do anything? Can I add anything in there or subtract anything? I don't have any like terms. What else can we do? You can distribute, Aaliyah. Very good. Very good. All right, so that 3x squared's got to go to all 3 of these, okay? So what's -3 times 7?
-21.
-21. And how many x's do I have?
2.
When you multiply the bases, you add. 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good. All right, so the last one. What number is right here?
1.
1. So what's -3 times -1?
-3.
I mean
positive 3.
Positive 3. And how many x's do I have? I have 2 and I have 1. So how many is that?
3.
3. There you go. All right, last one. Here we go. What's negative 3 times 4?
Negative.
Negative 12. And what's my x?
There's not another.
Yeah, there is. I had this one.
2.
Squared. There you go. Are y'all okay?
See, now you're getting me confused because last semester you'd be like, how many x's are there?
Uh-huh.
Like,
There's 2 x's, you add the exponent. If you're multiplying 2 x's, you add the exponents.
no, I get that, but like you told us to say only one, like how when you pointed to the 3 and the 7, you said how many x's are there? And I said 2.
Yeah, there's 2. 2 x's.
Yeah, and then, but now you're saying, okay, I know what I'm saying.
What? Okay, should I have said what exponent?
Yeah.
Is that what you? Okay, I'll say that next time. All right, number 2. You ready, Cameron? Here we go. Cameron, what's 5 times negative 4?
5 times negative 4.
Negative something. Negative 20. There you go. All right, Princess. What about the d squared and the d squared? What exponent would I have when I multiply them? 4. Very good. All right, Katie, can you help me on the next one? What's 5 times 2?
10.
Positive or negative? Positive. Very good. And let's see, Abel, can you help me right here? Oh, that should be a D, not an A. That's a typo. That's a D. That's a typo. Sorry about that, guys. All right, Abel, can you help me right here? How many? No, this one. We're not finished with this one. So I have D squared and I have D to the 1, right? What would be my new exponent when I multiply those together? When you multiply, you add the exponents, right? So you 3. All right, last one. Roberto, what's 5 times negative 7? Negative 35. There you go. And then what letter do we have with it? Anybody?
D2.
D squared. There you go. Okay, y'all try number 3 real quick. Do number 3 on your own. Y'all do number 3.
Why did you like scope?
Let's look at the first one. What is negative 6 times 3?
18. Negative.
Negative 18. W to what power?
7.
7. There you go. All right, let's see. Jackson. What's the next one? When I multiply those? 12 to the 6. Perfect. All right, Wyatt, what number is right here? Wyatt? 1. There you go. All right, so let's see. TJ, can you help me right here? What's negative 6 times negative 1? Positive 6. All right, what about my W's? I have 3 and I have 1. What's my new exponent? TJ. Yes, I did. 4, right? All right, last one. Let's see. Katie, can you help me on this one? Negative 6W cubed times 9. How much is that?
Negative 54.
54. And then how many W's do I have?
1.
Well, 3 of them, right? Excuse me, my exponent is 3. I'm sorry. My exponent is 3. I didn't say that correctly. Very good, guys. Y'all get it? That looks pretty good on it. All right, let's go to the next one. Here we go. Put your phones up. Please don't make me take phones away. All right, number 4. Number 4. What do I do? There you go. All right, what's 2 times negative 4? Negative 8. All right, so I have p to the 1 and p to the 2nd. What's my new exponent? There you go. All right, here we go. What's 2p times 5p? 10p to the 2nd. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, here's my question. You ready? Do I keep distributing the 2p?
No.
Why?
Because you don't.
You had a parentheses closed, right? Right here? What's my new number? Negative 5, right? All right, so what's negative 5 times 2p squared? Negative 10p squared, right? And then what's negative 5 times 20?
Negative 100.
Negative 100, right?
P, no.
Yeah, there is something in common. What do you see in common?
What?
You see something in common?
The two tens?
Well, not the two tens. What's in common? The p to the second, right? That's what I'm worried about. And then, Autumn, what can I do to the two tens? I can subtract them, right?
And you make it 0.
10 minus 10 is 0, so they just go away. They go away. So what's left?
Negative 8 P3
Uh-huh.
minus 100.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. Are y'all okay? All right, let's go to number 5. Last one. You ready? All right, what do I do on number 5? What's 5 times 10?
50.
50. All right, this is a little tricky. You ready? What can I do here? Do I do the t and the y, or do I do it the t and the t? T and t, right? What's t to the 1 and t to the 5? What's my new exponent?
T to 6.
6, right? But look, don't forget that y. It's like when your mama tells you to go to the mall and watch your little brother or sister. You can't forget them or you get in trouble. Don't forget the y cubed. All right, let's do the next one. What's 5 times 5? 2. Multiply.
Oh, crap.
25. There you go. All right, so do the t's. What's t and t? What's my new exponent?
2.
2. And then don't forget the y
cubed.
squared. There you go. Do I keep going with the 5?
No, it's negative 2 now.
There you go. Negative 2y. There you go. All right. Let's see. What number is right here?
Negative 2.
1. Negative 2 times 1 is?
Negative 2.
All right, here we go. Do I do the y and the y, or do I do the y and the t squared?
1.
What's y times y?
2.
Y squared. There you go. And then what do I do with this t squared?
Just put T2.
Bring him down. There you go. All right, last one. What's negative 2 times 4? Negative 8. And y to what power?
3.
3. Very good. Let's see. Do I have anything?
No.
Yeah, I do.
Oh.
T2, Y2.
T2, Y2. They're the same thing, right? They're just a little different order, but the same thing. All right, what's 25 minus 2?
23.
23.
Well, nobody knew that.
They're just not paying
I did.
attention.
Oh.
All right, what do I do with this 50? Bring it down. Very good. Well, wait a minute. I got to have a sign right here. What kind of 23 was this?
Oh, it was
It
positive.
was a positive. There you go. What else do I need to do? One more thing.
The negative 8, Y3.
There you go. Negative 8. Y to the 3. Very good. Very good. Y'all okay?
Yeah.
All right. So, you got some homework tonight, but we still got some time to get some work done, okay? So, if you hustle, you can go ahead and get it done, and you won't have any homework. You can turn it in and be finished. You ready? Grab yourself a piece of paper. I'm going to put it on the screen. As soon as I find my book. What happened to it?
Wait, Clayton, that's the full page. We need paper. Oh, it's easy.
All right, what homework number is this? Number 1. There you go. I'm just going to write it down for you.
It says 18 through 23 even, but 23 is not an even number.
Don't worry, I'm going to mark some of these off anyway. We're not going to do all these.
You are correct, though. That's not an even number.
Yeah.
And you don't call 2 games there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's just the first day. I do this like
Well, if you do it the whole time and come to school, like, then you can be done. You don't have to take the final. I don't have to see you. You don't have to see me last week. You get to sleep in. Not that I don't want to see you. I do want to see you. I'm just saying.
I mean, I might do that anyway.
You get to sleep in. I don't know about you, but I'd rather sleep in.
I mean, even if I don't exhibit, they'll probably just not gonna show up on the class.
You still took all of your exams, dear.
I mean, no.
How about let's just work hard and we don't have to worry about taking them. Then nobody has to worry about hunting you down.
Yeah, I had to hunt them.
Yeah. That looks good. Let's just do those 3. I can see if you know how to do it in 3 problems.
Raise your hand if you need help. I'd love to help.